because what we're dealing with are sensitive Matagal issues, and we have asked the Matagali to try and resolve the issues internally so that we can move forward with this development that's taking place. I believe at the moment they're addressing that issue internally, and they will come back to us should there be any resolution to the matter. Well, I see the misinformation was there, very evident prior to elections and in the first few weeks after elections. But I find now in my public consultations that that misinformation is not as much as before. And I think that's basically due to the information that's going out now to members of the public. The public consultations we've been carrying out recently was particularly in relation to the formalization of informal settlements and squatter settlements, so to speak. And of course with other key stakeholders as well, foreshore leaseholders and farmers as well. I'm very pleased with what we've achieved internally in the ministry, especially in the putting together of draft standard operating procedures, which will be on trial from Thursday this week for a period of about 3 months, just to allow us to see whether they are working well or not. And it's also an opportunity to address those areas of the draft SOP that may not be so conducive to customer service. But after the period of 3 months, we hope to have the final SOP launched, and then we should be able to tell customers up front what timelines to expect for their applications to the